Okay, when you're in Google Docs, under the Tools menu, I just wanted to point out some things that you might be interested in. First of all, we have a spell checker. You can also define words. You can get a word count. Voice typing is also pretty awesome. If I click on voice typing and I just say click to speak, and it says allow your microphone. So now as I'm speaking, it's just going to start typing the words for me. This actually works pretty well. I mean, I'm just babbling here and it's pretty much getting everything that I want. All right, I'm going to stop it. Okay. Now, another tool that I really like up here is, whoops, going to Explore. So if you go to Explore, this is formerly known as the research tool. So the thing about Explore is you can do a search on a topic. So I will say Secretary of Education. Okay, so here we go. Basically, I've got some website results. I can also go to images, and here's some different pictures of various secretaries of education. So if I wanted to insert one of these images into my document, I can just click on insert image and it will go right into the document. Okay, I'm going to actually get rid of it because it's kind of large. Um, I can also search my drive. So anything that has secretary and education in it is going to show up. These are all the documents where that search came up. Whoops. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to web. So let's say that I went to this website and I'm doing a paper or an article, and I decide that, you know what, I'm going to quote this website. So I'm going to take this quote and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm just going to come in here and paste it into my document. Okay, so here it is. Now what I can do is if I want to do an easy citation of this, all I have to do is place my mouse and go ahead next to the website that I just was at and click on this cite as footnote, and it adds the citation here, and it actually automatically puts the footnote and creates the footnote for me right here at the bottom. This is a great tool. Students love this because oftentimes they're quoting websites and it's just super easy to be able to do that. You can also change the format of your citation. So if you needed the APA format versus MLA, you can go ahead and just change that right here. So try that. It's a fun tool, and I think you'll find it very useful.